Introduce highlight features or overview summary of ZAPALA Expert Bluetooth Speaker. There are features include Hi-Fi Sound Enhanced Bass. This wireless Bluetooth speakers with aluminum alloy base diaphragm and 6-watt high-power full-frequency drive speaker to ensure a high-fidelity sound system, extra bass technology for powerful sound. All the sounds from the speaker Bluetooth are crisp, natural, realistic, and free of scratches. Cool RGB lights in sync with the beat. The light of this portable speaker will dance with the rhythm of the music. The light dancer will flashing, phase, and shine with the beat of the music. It makes every bass, mids, and highs in the music have an excellent light rhythm. It's able to produce impressive sound when you are gaming, enjoying music or watching movies, and you can turn off the lights at any time when you meet your needs. Powerful IPX4 waterproof speaker. This waterproof speaker have IPX4 certification for fearless outdoor entertainment. Is resistant to rain, dust, snow, and spills, sandproof and mudproof, can be soaked in water for a short time. You can bring your portable Bluetooth speaker, enjoy a showering, swimming, on the beach or even in the rain, bash on the anywhere. No worries about weather and outdoor condition, a great Bluetooth speaker for travel and home use. 10 hours happy playing time. ZAPALA Expert Portable Wireless Bluetooth Speaker can be played for over 10 hours per charge. Lightweighted and can be carried easily. Ideal as a holiday gift for birthday, Christmas, Thanksgiving, for family and friends, boy, girl. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.